Okay, so as you can see, what we just saw came over, that was the Arthur Scilly Skybus we just seen came over this afternoon. Anyway, this is one of the de Havilland DHC-6-300 aircraft. This is anyway. So yeah, this is one of the de Havilland calendar apparently. So yeah. So yeah, as you can see, this is one of the Arthur Scilly Skybus that we now getting back to previously, apparently. So anyway, so as you can see, just from here, where we saw it, he's flown here to about 6,000 feet from here anyway, just around 6,000 feet from here anyway. So yeah, as you can see, just from here, he's just took off from where he's been to, just over Exeter Airport anyway, which obviously this is now because this is now the time that we're now back to see the Arthur Scilly Skybus doing some flights from St Mary's Airport to Exeter Airport apparently, which this is a Skybus that we've now currently seen this afternoon anyway. So yeah, so as you can see, he just took off at Exeter Airport just before 20 past 4 anyway, so 4:20 it just took off before 4:20 apparently though, so that took off at 4:18 PM anyway, just from where he's been to anyway, just down at Exeter Airport anyway. So yeah, which obviously this is the time that we do sometimes see Skybus coming from the Arthur Scilly sometimes though, which obviously sometimes we do see the Arthur Scilly Skybus twin-udder coming from the Arthur Scilly sometimes though, which normally we do see that sometimes around. We normally do see that around here sometimes though, that we do normally see the Arthur Scilly Skybus around here sometimes. So yeah, which normally we do see that around here sometimes. So yeah, and as you can see, the registration is G-ISSG, that is. But obviously, as you can tell, the camera is a bit blurry, as you can see. So as you can see, the registration is GIS. It's the G-ISSG, that is. As you can see, it's got a flight number there, which is IOS515R. This is, and probably looks as if he's probably now on his way back to, Arthur Scilly, I suppose. Anyway, probably looks like he's now on his way back to possibly St Mary's Airport, I believe. Anyway, on the way back to the Arthur Scilly, I believe. So yeah, which this is the flight that we normally see Skybus on apparently, especially when it's on the Arthur Scilly flights to Exeter, which we do normally see that around here sometimes. Where I am in Penryn, which normally we do see that around here sometimes. And yeah. So yeah, this is the Arthur Scilly Skybus that we do normally see around here sometimes when it's basically when it's been to Exeter Airport or even the Arthur Scilly though apparently, which normally we do see one of those two flights sometimes though, especially from the Arthur Scilly and the Exeter ones apparently. So yeah, but I'm so glad that the Arthur Scilly Skybus is back on his spring, summer and autumn flight apparently from Arthur Scilly to Exeter. Now because at the time we're now back to see the twin-udder Skybus doing his flights from Arthur Scilly to Exeter. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, it looks like he's now on his way back to the Arthur Scilly's, I believe now, back to St Mary's Airport. So yeah. Okay, so yep. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.